Alam nyo ba ang pagtawa ay nakakatanggal ng stress?
Wow!
So we are back again guys and welcome to our YouTube channel, and for today's video guys is gagawa kami ng bawal tumawa challenge at titingin kami ng funny video. And hindi ko po kasama partner ko kasi wala siya. So kami lang muna ni
Keng Keng? Jacoy?
Guwapo sila. So nasa YouTube channel Banana Brews. So subscribe nyo guys. So kung bago ka lang sa YouTube channel namin, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share to our YouTube channel. And let's go! Bawal tumawa challenge. So kapag tumawa, sasampalin.
Oh no!
Sasampalin.
Oh no!
So let's go. Go. Tahu. Da. You 1, 2, 3, go. Sapato. Pangalawang sampalas ka na guys. So, tanaw.
Mayroon na. Go.
Okay, seryoso.
Well, boss, naman na yan!
So, let's go.
3-1.
So, dua ka sampal. Isa sa sige, yun. Basta sinong tatawa, talo. Enggak. Takto babaw na.
Bawa
Manam?
po tubig.
Oh, let's go. Ketawa. Siga.
Karena kayak guys.
Nggak tahu kak. Enggak. Siya siksi.
Sigayo guys. Ang baboy. Akin.
Ormanda
Tawa siya kasi ko eh.
My name is no, my sign is no, my number is
Yeah, boy.
wow. You need to let it go. You need to let it go. High to the high to the no, no, no. Wow. No, sign is no, my number is no. You need to let it go. You need to let it go.
Yeah, boy.
Let it go. High to the high to the no, no, no. Make you really dance. I don't wanna dance. I don't need your hands all over me. If I want 'em in, then I'ma get 'em in. But it's never my priority. I was on my phone.
Hindi katawanan, no? Katawa si Bakoy. Katawa si Bakoy. Hindi.
Wow.
Wala na. Mapildi silang tanan sa ko, ah. Sa ako ang daog. Pildi sila. Yan, sabi maingan ninyo.
Pani. Siya pani. Pani video.
Bagong tuli, bagong pisot, bagong kugmo. So, yun na po guys, and I hope you enjoy. And don't forget to subscribe, like, and share to our YouTube channel. And
Subscribe guys.
subscribe na kayo, Ila Bakoy.